Want to know the top 5 winter vegetables for fresh homegrown flavors? We're about to delve into a world of frost-friendly greens that'll add a punch to your plate even in the chilliest seasons. Stay tuned to discover these cold-loving crops. Starting the list with a nutrient-packed green, meet kale. Thriving even in frosty conditions, this leafy champion delivers a fresh, earthy flavor. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, it's a powerhouse of nutrition. Kale, a hearty green providing fresh flavor all winter long. Next up, the miniature cabbages that love the cold, Brussels sprouts. These hardy little greens thrive in frosty conditions, growing in a distinctive stalk pattern. They offer a rich, earthy flavor that brings a unique depth to your winter dishes. Brussels sprouts, a unique addition to your winter garden. Coming in third, a cold weather champion, the leek. Leeks thrive in freezing temperatures, ensuring a steady supply throughout winter. With a growth cycle spanning the cold months, they're perfect for a variety of comforting dishes. Leeks, a winter garden staple for comforting dishes. Our fourth pick, the sweet and earthy parsnip. These root vegetables become sweeter after a frost, relishing the chill. Thriving in well-drained soil, parsnips bring a unique, delicious flavor to your winter meals. Parsnips, a sweet surprise in the cold winter months. Last but not least, the versatile and hearty spinach. A champion against the chill, spinach shoots up quickly, packing your garden with greenery. B-roll, footage of spinach plants growing brimming with nutrients. It's a true health hero. B-roll, close-up shots of spinach leaves. Spinach, a green powerhouse for your winter garden. B-roll, wide shot of a winter garden with spinach plants. And there you have it, the top 5 winter vegetables for fresh homegrown flavors. From the hardy kale, the compact Brussels sprouts, the versatile leeks, the sweet parsnips, to the nutrient-rich spinach. Each of these vegetables not only offers a unique taste and texture, but also thrives in colder weather. Growing them at home can bring joy, satisfaction, and a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!